Just look at this, the chicken of your dreams. All of these whole chickens and covered in a rich, spicy, peppery sauce. I ordered the adobado and we're gonna try that out. Check it out, guys. Big street food tour coming up for you. Today, we're eating 3 amazing street foods in a deep local market outside of Oaxaca, Mexico. Your mouth is gonna water for these street foods, including some insane aromatic barbecue chicken and making super unique handmade burnt milk ice cream with super fast skill. These foods are next level. Let's eat. We made our way to Zachilla outside of Oaxaca to the biggest weekly farmers market. It's so packed with energy here, so much food around, and we're going for a full-on street food tour. Let's check it out. Look at this. Tons of stalls of deliciousness. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. Hola, señora. Oh, this must be barbacoa.
First up, we found the most incredible barbacoa delight. These big pots of slow-cooked lamb cooked underground and covered in maguey leaves or avocado leaves. It's sometimes covered with a chili guajillo sauce or covered plain. And when you walk up and see all the chopping of the succulent and juice-packed lamb, along with these big bowls of consomme, a soup made from the drippings from the meat, you know you're in for a treat.
Oh, she's gonna let me taste it. Oh, gracias, señora. Mmm. Oh, yeah. Mmm. Oh, it's so juicy. You can smell the bay leaves in there. Oh, and she's just pulling out some of the real juiciness. ¿Qué es esto?
Es col, verdura.
Oh,
Pollo, pues.
carne. Oh, and then the juice from that simmering pot. Oh, you can smell the tomatoes and the bay leaves. Oh, and she's wrapping that up in a tortilla. Oh, and dipping it in. This is the meat from heaven here. We truly found the jackpot of meat. Chopping it up. And that's going into the collection of meat for tacos. Tacos! Oh, that is the sloppy meat delight for tacos. Going right into there, and that's where she's gonna take it out and make taco with. We found the true fatty meat delight. Lamb barbacoa, unbelievable juice and fat bursting from the meat there. And people are so friendly here. Gracias. We just got the barbacoa. Oh, look at these beautiful monster rolled up tacos. Incredible. Oh, let's take a look at that. Holy, oh my. It's just a meat overload. It's a meat torpedo. It's a meat submarine. That is lamb, and you can smell all of that delicious bay leaf and chili, and we're just gonna load it up. Look at that. This is salsa verde made with green tomatillo. Just load it up a little more, and then load it up with some guacamole. Oh, that is just incredible. That is absolutely incredible. The torpedo of barbacoa. Squeeze a little lime on there. Oh, true heaven. Get some onion on there. That is a meat torpedo. Put a little cilantro on that. Oh yeah. Look at that. That is just gonna be a full-on spectrum of juice and flavor and texture in a tortilla. Wrap it up tight. Oh yeah, keep it tight. Okay, that is the moment. Look at the bulge. Look at the meat bulge there. Mmm. Whoa. Look at that pure lamb. It's incredibly juicy. And I've been looking forward to trying a real barbacoa like this for a long time. They actually cook barbacoa. Oh, guacamole on there. They actually cook barbacoa in the ground. Covered it with maguey leaves. And that is just a flavor bomb. That'll bring it to the next level.
After tasting the rich consomme soup made from the drippings from the barbacoa lamb and a guajillo chili sauce topped with cilantro, onion, and lime,
that is gonna be a mouth filler. Now that is incredible. That huge bite that I just had, oh, it actually just melts in your mouth. The onions and the cilantro, there's a bit of chili in there. That is a perfect soothing soup.
we ventured deeper into the market and found an incredible barbecue stall. Some of the best barbecue chicken you'll ever eat.
Muy rico.
¿De dónde?
Canada.
Canadá.
Canada. China.
China, yo dije que japonesa.
Adios.
Adiós.
Adios. Oh, look at this. I think we just found the chicken hotspot, the chicken heaven. Ooh, the chicken on the grill. Oh, yes. Hola, señor. Wow. Uno pollo, por favor.
Un pollo.
Un pollo, por favor.
¿Cómo no? ¿Lo quiere al orégano o adobado?
Adobado, por favor.
Adobado.
Just look at this. The chicken of your dreams. All of these whole chickens. And covered in a rich, spicy, peppery sauce. I ordered the adobado, and we're gonna try that out. We're gonna sit down. It's gonna take a few minutes to cook a whole chicken here, and we're gonna taste how juicy and succulent that is. Basically, adobado should be this raw chicken cooked in a bit of paprika, oregano, salt, garlic, and probably a little bit of vinegar as well. And that it just looks so juicy. All of these chickens are just looking so succulent, and ours is right up here. That beauty right there. This is the whole chicken we've got right on the grill. I think it's done now. He's gonna put it right on a plate. Oh, unbelievable. Oh yes. Wow! Look at that. Gracias. Look at the knife they give you. That's insane. Okay. Oh, this is a true this is a true chicken heaven. We are just gonna cover this in a ton of salsa. Salsa verde, tomatillo. Oh, spicy green salsa there. Oh yes. I can't believe we found a whole adobado chicken here. Awesome. And look at these. These are pickled purple onions with habanero. This should be extreme spice. We've had this a few times in Mexico so far, and each time the spice is just off the charts, burning. Oh yeah. A little bit of this red salsa here. Doesn't that look beautiful? Oh, Mexico is the land of delicious, flavorful, fresh salsa from heaven. There. This is meat lovers heaven, carnivore heaven. And we're gonna go right in for the kill. Mmm. Oh, that is definitely extremely smoky, peppery. All of the salsa you can put on that. It's definitely peppery. It's seasoned so well. And these pickled chilies with habanero, oh man, those are next level spicy. Gracias, señor. Oh, muy rico. Sí, sí. ¿Cuánto es?
140.
Gracias.
For our final street food, we found a famous ice cream stall serving up a huge variety of ice creams known as nieves, including the famous burnt milk and tuna ice cream. Here, our buddy Javier, who brought us to this market, showed us the best ice cream stall and introduced us to the owner. And after eating our famous ice cream, he taught us how to make it.
Over here, there's a bunch of ice cream stalls. Let's go in and try one out. Hola, señor.
Hola.
Hola.
Bienvenido. Bienvenido.
Oh, mucho gusto. Look at all the ice cream. Wow. Look at this. Oh. This is amazing. Look at all the flavors. ¿Qué es esto?
Esta nieve es de leche quemada.
Oh.
De leche quemada con tuna roja.
Oh. Es tuna. Tuna. Oh, yes. So this is actually a burnt milk ice cream. Gracias. So we're hanging out with my buddy Javier today. He has brought us to the local market. This is burnt milk ice cream, right?
Burnt milk is the most traditional ice cream in Oaxaca. This is a classical dessert.
This is called tuna,
Yeah, it's
right?
But it's not fish.
It's not the fish.
Yeah.
It's the burnt milk with tuna, which is
Tuna on the top.
the fruit from the prickly pear cactus.
Exactly.
Oh yeah, let's try that combo. That's like a burnt caramel. It tastes like a burnt caramel milk
It does.
with that sweet. It's kind of funny. It's called tuna.
Yeah,
Is
it's not fish.
this a good one?
Yeah, it is, man. It's pretty much the most traditional ice cream you can find here in Oaxaca.
Oh, it tastes so. It's like a sweet burnt caramel. Really. Is this one of the better ones?
That's pretty much the best one, actually. The most traditional one. Yeah.
Nice.
After enjoying that beautiful ice cream with Javier, the owner Paulino, he invited us up to watch how they make the ice cream by hand every day. And he even invited me to try and make it myself.
So the owner Paulino has let us try to like this. Oh, there we go. So you can mix it. You spin it and then it freezes. And you notice they put the salt on top of the ice. Apparently that melts it a little bit, but it also helps freeze this. And I'm definitely probably not fast enough. This probably is not gonna freeze. Paulino's probably gonna have to get back to it. Yeah, he's the master. Look at that. Wow. It's cool.
After spinning the burnt milk in the ice for about 15 minutes, it slowly became thick and creamy and almost ready to eat.
There it is. And now the burnt milk ice cream is freezing up. We've been filming it for about 15 minutes. Amazing. Incredible. That is handmade frozen ice cream. If you guys love traveling deep for street food when you travel, and if you believe the world is a beautiful, friendly place, you found the right channel. So make sure you click that little subscribe and bell notification button so you don't miss any of these deep street food tours. If you love these travel, eat, repeat, and Thai Howla shirts, you can check out our merch in the description below, and I would love to hear from you in the comments as well. Thanks so much for watching, guys.